Draganfly is proud to announce that our drone services team completed a groundbreaking and challenging 24/7 monitoring project, which set a new standard and process for round-the-clock environmental monitoring of critical infrastructure in the construction industry. For approximately a month, the Draganfly team conducted live, real-time, round-the-clock inspections on a significant critical infrastructure construction site, which required Draganfly's CAN drone services team to be active on-site and operating at all times. Utilizing specialized sensors, the mission was to monitor and identify ground disturbances, gather and analyze data in real time, and promptly report any suspected or potential issues to the client's team, enabling them to respond and take action quickly. Draganfly's innovative technology implementation allowed the team to successfully identify and report multiple issues that were dealt with in real time, which minimized incidental costs for the client and enhanced safety for the on-site workers. Draganfly specializes in providing drone-based inspection and survey services across North America. Our innovative drone technologies and experienced pilots are an incredibly efficient alternative to traditional inspection and surveying methods for our clients. This latest project represents a breakthrough in the construction industry's expectations and capabilities in risk mitigation, safety enhancement, and the utilization of drones to provide real-time data insights to significantly reduce costs. And the Draganfly team is happy to have had the opportunity to provide our expertise in yet another project requiring an innovative solution.